Welcome to Why Biology. Today, we'll cover questions 801 through 1000 in the Why Biology Masterclass. Are you ready? Let's get started. Biochemistry and molecular biology, 801 to 900. Question 801. Did you know? What is biochemistry? Biochemistry studies chemical processes within living organisms. Question 802. Did you know? What are organic compounds? Organic compounds contain carbon bonded to hydrogen and other elements. Question 803. Did you know? What are the four major biological macromolecules? Carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Question 804. Did you know? What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are organic compounds composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, providing energy. Question 805. Did you know? What is the general formula for carbohydrates? The general formula is CH2ON. Question 806. Did you know? What are monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are simple sugars like glucose and fructose. Question 807. Did you know? What are disaccharides? Disaccharides are two monosaccharides bonded together, like sucrose and lactose. Question 808. Did you know? What are polysaccharides? Polysaccharides are long chains of monosaccharides, like starch and cellulose. Question 809. Did you know? What is glucose? Glucose is a 6-carbon monosaccharide and primary energy source for cells. Question 810. Did you know? What is glycogen? Glycogen is a polysaccharide storing glucose in animals. Question 811. Did you know? What is starch? Starch is a polysaccharide storing glucose in plants. Question 812. Did you know? What is cellulose? Cellulose is a polysaccharide forming plant cell walls, indigestible by humans. Question 813. Did you know? What are lipids? Lipids are hydrophobic organic molecules, including fats, oils, and steroids. Question 801. Did you know? What are the functions of lipids? Energy storage, cell membrane structure, and signaling molecules. Question 815. Did you know? What are fatty acids? Fatty acids are long hydrocarbon chains with a carboxyl group. Question 816. Did you know? What are saturated fats? Saturated fats have no double bonds between carbons, typically solid at room temperature. Question 8117. Did you know? What are unsaturated fats? Unsaturated fats have one or more double bonds, typically liquid at room temperature. Question 818. Did you know? What are triglycerides? Triglycerides are 3 fatty acids bonded to glycerol, the main form of stored fat. Question 819. Did you know? What are phospholipids? Phospholipids have 2 fatty acids and a phosphate group, forming cell membranes. Question 820. Did you know? What are steroids? Steroids are lipids with 4 ring structures, including cholesterol and hormones. Question 821. Did you know? What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a steroid vital for membrane structure and hormone synthesis. Question 822. Did you know? What are proteins? Proteins are polymers of amino acids, performing diverse functions. Question 823. Did you know? What are amino acids? Amino acids are organic molecules with amino and carboxyl groups, building blocks of proteins. Question 824. Did you know? How many amino acids are there? 20 standard amino acids make up proteins. Question 825. Did you know? What is a peptide bond? A peptide bond links amino acids together in proteins. Question 826. Did you know? What are the levels of protein structure? Primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure. Question 827. Did you know? What is primary structure? Primary structure is the amino acid sequence. Question 828. Did you know? What is secondary structure? Secondary structure includes alpha helices and beta sheets, formed by hydrogen bonding. Question 829. Did you know? What is tertiary structure? Tertiary structure is the three-dimensional folding of a protein. Question 830. Did you know? What is quaternary structure? Quaternary structure is the assembly of multiple protein subunits. Question 831. Did you know? What determines protein function? Protein shape, structure, determines its function. Question 832. Did you know? What is protein denaturation? Denaturation is loss of protein structure and function due to heat, pH, or chemicals. Question 833. Did you know? What are enzymes? Enzymes are proteins that catalyze biochemical reactions. Question 834. Did you know? What is an active site? The active site is where substrate binds to an enzyme. Question 835. Did you know? What is the lock and key model? The lock and key model describes specific substrate enzyme binding. Question 836. Did you know? What is the induced fit model? The induced fit model describes enzyme shape changing to accommodate substrate. Question 837. Did you know? What are nucleic acids? Nucleic acids are polymers of nucleotides storing and transmitting genetic information. Question 838. Did you know? What are the two types of nucleic acids? DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acid. Question 839. Did you know? What are nucleotides? Nucleotides consist of a sugar, phosphate group, and nitrogenous base. Question 840. Did you know? What are the components of DNA? Deoxyribose, sugar, phosphate, and bases. Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Question 841. Did you know? What are the components of RNA? Ribose, sugar, phosphate, and bases. Adenine, uracil, guanine, cytosine. Question 842. Did you know? What is the difference between DNA and RNA? DNA has deoxyribose and thymine. RNA has ribose and uracil. DNA is double-stranded. RNA is usually single-stranded. Question 843. Did you know? What is ATP? ATP, adenosine triphosphate, stores and releases energy for cellular processes. Question 844. Did you know? How does ATP release energy? Breaking the bond between phosphate groups releases energy. Question 845. Did you know? What is ADP? ADP, adenosine diphosphate, is ATP after one phosphate is removed. Question 846. Did you know? What is cellular metabolism? Cellular metabolism is all chemical reactions in cells. Question 847. Did you know? What is anabolism? Anabolism builds complex molecules from simpler ones, requiring energy. Question 848. Did you know? What is catabolism? Catabolism breaks down complex molecules into simpler ones, releasing energy. Question 850. Did you know? What is an oxidation reduction reaction? Oxidation reduction, redox reactions, transfer electrons between molecules. Question 850. Did you know? What is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electrons. Question 851. Did you know? What is reduction? Reduction is gain of electrons. Question 852. Did you know? What is NAD+? NAD+ is an electron carrier that becomes NADH when reduced. Question 853. Did you know? What is FAD? FAD is an electron carrier that becomes FADH2 when reduced. Question 854. Did you know? What is feedback inhibition? Feedback inhibition is when a pathway's end product inhibits an earlier enzyme. Question 855. Did you know? What are vitamins? Vitamins are organic compounds required in small amounts for metabolism. Question 856. Did you know? What are minerals? Minerals are inorganic elements essential for various body functions. Question 857. Did you know? What is the difference between fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins? Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, are stored in fat. Water-soluble vitamins, B, C, are not stored. Question 858. Did you know? What is vitamin deficiency? Vitamin deficiency causes health problems from insufficient vitamin intake. Question 859. Did you know? What causes scurvy? Scurvy results from vitamin C deficiency. Question 860. Did you know? What causes rickets? Rickets results from vitamin D deficiency affecting bone development. Question 861. Did you know? What is an essential amino acid? Essential amino acids cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained from diet. Question 862. Did you know? How many essential amino acids are there for humans? 9 amino acids are essential for humans. Question 863. Did you know? What are essential fatty acids? Essential fatty acids cannot be synthesized and must come from diet. Question 864. Did you know? What is the importance of water in biochemistry? Water is a solvent, participates in reactions, and maintains temperature and structure. Question 865. Did you know? What is hydrolysis? Hydrolysis breaks bonds by adding water molecules. Question 866. Did you know? What is dehydration synthesis? Dehydration synthesis forms bonds by removing water molecules. Question 867. Did you know? What is pH? pH measures hydrogen ion concentration, indicating acidity or alkalinity. Question 868. Did you know? What is the pH scale? The pH scale ranges from 0, acidic, to 14, basic, with 7 being neutral. Question 869. Did you know? What is a buffer? A buffer resists pH changes by neutralizing added acids or bases. Question 870. Did you know? Why are buffers important in biology? Buffers maintain stable pH, necessary for enzyme function and cellular processes. Question 871. Did you know? What is the pH of blood? Human blood pH is approximately 7.35, 7.45. Question 872. Did you know? What is an acid? An acid donates hydrogen ions, H+, in solution. Question 873. Did you know? What is a base? A base accepts hydrogen ions or donates hydroxide ions, OHE. Question 874. Did you know? What are hydrogen bonds? Hydrogen bonds are weak attractions between hydrogen and electronegative atoms. Question 875. Did you know? Why are hydrogen bonds important? Hydrogen bonds stabilize protein, structure, DNA, double helix, and water properties. Question 876. Did you know? What is cohesion? Cohesion is attraction between molecules of the same substance. Question 877. Did you know? What is adhesion? Adhesion is attraction between molecules of different substances. Question 878. Did you know? What is surface tension? Surface tension is cohesive force at liquid surfaces. Question 879. Did you know? What is capillary action? Capillary action is liquid movement through narrow spaces due to adhesion and cohesion. Question 880. Did you know? What are functional groups? Functional groups are specific atom groups determining molecule properties. Question 881. Did you know? What is the hydroxyl group? The hydroxyl group, OOH, makes molecules polar and soluble. Question 882. Did you know? What is the carboxyl group? The carboxyl group, COOH, makes molecules acidic. Question 883. Did you know? What is the amino group? The amino group, NH2, makes molecules basic. Question 884. Did you know? What is the phosphate group? The phosphate group, PO4, transfers energy in ATP and forms DNA, RNA backbones. Question 800A5. 5. Did you know? What are isomers? Isomers are molecules with the same formula but different structures. Question 886. Did you know? What are structural isomers? Structural isomers have different atom arrangements. Question 887. Did you know? What are stereoisomers? Stereoisomers have same atom arrangement, but different spatial orientations. Question 888. Did you know? What are enantiomers? Enantiomers are mirror image stereoisomers. Question 889. Did you know? What is chirality? Chirality is the property of molecules existing as non-superimposable mirror images. Question 890. Did you know? What is a polymer? A polymer is a large molecule made of repeating subunits, monomers. Question 891. Did you know? What are examples of biological polymers? Proteins, nucleic acids, polysaccharides, and cellulose. Question 892. Did you know? What is the primary energy source for most organisms? Glucose is the primary energy source. Question 893. Did you know? What is glycolysis? Glycolysis breaks glucose into pyruvate, producing ATP and NADH. Question 894. Did you know? Where does glycolysis occur? Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. Question 895. Did you know? What is the net ATP yield from glycolysis? Glycolysis produces a net gain of 2 ATP molecules. Question 896. Did you know? What is acetyl-CoA? Acetyl-CoA is a molecule entering the Krebs cycle from pyruvate. Question 897. Did you know? What is the electron transport chain? The electron transport chain uses electron energy to pump protons and generate ATP. Question 898. Did you know? What is chemiosmosis? Chemiosmosis uses proton gradients to drive ATP synthesis. Question 899. Did you know? What is ATP synthase? ATP synthase is an enzyme that produces ATP using proton flow. Question 900. Did you know? How much ATP does complete glucose oxidation produce? Complete glucose oxidation produces approximately 32 ATP molecules. Human health and disease, 901-1000. Question 901. Did you know? What is a disease? A disease is an abnormal condition negatively affecting body structure or function. Question 902. Did you know? What is an infectious disease? an infectious disease is caused by pathogenic microorganisms. Question 903. Did you know? What is a non-infectious disease? A non-infectious disease is not caused by pathogens and is not transmissible. Question 904. Did you know? What are chronic diseases? Chronic diseases are long-lasting conditions, often incurable. Question 905. Did you know? What are acute diseases? Acute diseases are short-term, severe conditions. Question 906. Did you know? What is the immune system? The immune system defends against pathogens and foreign substances. Question 907. Did you know? What is innate immunity? Innate immunity provides non-specific, immediate defense present from birth. Question 908. Did you know? What is adaptive immunity? Adaptive immunity provides specific, learned defense developing after pathogen exposure. Question 909. Did you know? What are the first line defenses? Skin, mucous membranes, and secretions prevent pathogen entry. Question 910. Did you know? What is inflammation? Inflammation is a localized immune response to injury or infection. Question 911. Did you know? What are the signs of inflammation? Redness, heat, swelling, and pain. Question 912. Did you know? What are phagocytes? Phagocytes are white blood cells that engulf and destroy pathogens. Question 913. Did you know? What are macrophages? Macrophages are large phagocytes that consume debris and pathogens. Question 915. Did you know? What are T cells? T cells are lymphocytes coordinating immune responses and destroying infected cells. Question 915. Did you know? What are B cells? B cells are lymphocytes producing antibodies. Question 916. Did you know? What are antibodies? Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins that bind to specific antigens. Question 917. Did you know? What is active immunity? Active immunity develops from exposure to antigens, producing memory cells. Question 918. Did you know? What is passive immunity? Passive immunity is temporary protection from receiving antibodies. Question 919. Did you know? How do vaccines work? Vaccines stimulate immunity by exposing the body to weakened or killed pathogens or their antigens. Question 920. Did you know? What is an autoimmune disease? An autoimmune disease occurs when the immune system attacks the body's own cells. Question 921. Did you know? What are examples of autoimmune diseases? Type 1 diabetes, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, and lupus. Question 922. Did you know? What is an allergy? An allergy is an excessive immune response to harmless substances. Question 923. Did you know? What are allergens? Allergens are substances triggering allergic reactions. Question 924. Did you know? What is anaphylaxis? Anaphylaxis is a severe, potentially fatal allergic reaction. Question 925. Did you know? What is HIV? HIV is a virus attacking immune cells, particularly T cells. Question 926. Did you know? What is AIDS? AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, is late-stage HIV infection with severely weakened immunity. Question 927. Did you know? How is HIV transmitted? HIV spreads through blood, sexual contact, and from mother to child. Question 928. Did you know? What is cancer? Cancer is uncontrolled cell division forming malignant tumors. Question 929. Did you know? What causes cancer? Cancer results from genetic mutations affecting cell division control. Question 930. Did you know? What are carcinogens? Carcinogens are substances that cause cancer. Question 931. Did you know? What is a benign tumor? A benign tumor is abnormal growth that doesn't invade tissues or spread. Question 932. Did you know? What is a malignant tumor? A malignant tumor invades tissues and can metastasize. Question 933. Did you know? What is metastasis? Metastasis is cancer spread to distant body sites. Question 934. Did you know? What is diabetes? Diabetes is a disease characterized by high blood sugar levels. Question 935. Did you know? What is type 1 diabetes? Type 1 diabetes is autoimmune destruction of insulin-producing cells. Question 936. Did you know? What is type 2 diabetes? Type 2 diabetes is insulin resistance or insufficient insulin production, often lifestyle related. Question 937. Did you know? What is cardiovascular disease? Cardiovascular disease affects the heart and blood vessels. Question 938. Did you know? What is atherosclerosis? Atherosclerosis is artery hardening from plaque buildup. Question 939. Did you know? What is a heart attack? A heart attack occurs when blood flow to heart muscle is blocked. Question 940. Did you know? What is a stroke? A stroke occurs when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. Question 941. Did you know? What is hypertension? Hypertension is persistently high blood pressure. Question 942. Did you know? What causes hypertension? Hypertension results from genetic factors: diet, obesity, stress, and lack of exercise. Question 943. Did you know? What is obesity? Obesity is excessive body fat accumulation posing health risks. Question 944. Did you know? How is obesity measured? Body mass index, BMI, is commonly used to classify obesity. Question 945. Did you know? What is malnutrition? Malnutrition is deficient, excessive, or imbalanced nutrient intake. Question 946. Did you know? What is anemia? Anemia is insufficient red blood cells or hemoglobin, reducing oxygen transport. Question 947. Did you know? What causes anemia? Iron deficiency, vitamin B12 deficiency, blood loss, or genetic disorders cause anemia. Question 948. 8. Did you know? What is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is bone density loss, increasing fracture risk. Question 949. Did you know? What causes osteoporosis? Aging, calcium deficiency, hormonal changes, and lack of exercise contribute to osteoporosis. Question 950. Did you know? What is asthma? Asthma is chronic airway inflammation, causing breathing difficulty. Question 951. Did you know? What triggers asthma? Allergens, exercise, cold air, and stress trigger asthma attacks. Question 952. Did you know? What is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection primarily affecting lungs. Question 953. Did you know? How is tuberculosis transmitted? Tuberculosis spreads through airborne droplets from infected individuals. Question 954. Did you know? What is malaria? Malaria is a parasitic disease transmitted by mosquitoes. Question 955. Did you know? What causes malaria? Plasmodium parasites transmitted by Anopheles mosquitoes cause malaria. Question 956. Did you know? What are sexually transmitted infections? STIs are infections transmitted through sexual contact. Question 957. Did you know? What are examples of STIs? HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, herpes, and HPV. Question 958. Did you know? What is antibiotic resistance? Antibiotic resistance is bacteria's ability to survive antibiotic treatment. Question 959. Did you know? How can antibiotic resistance be prevented? Complete prescribed courses, avoid unnecessary use, and proper infection control. Question 960. Did you know? What is mental health? Mental health encompasses emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Question 961. Did you know? What is depression? Depression is a mood disorder causing persistent sadness and loss of interest. Question 962. Did you know? What is anxiety? Anxiety is excessive worry or fear affecting daily life. Question 963. Did you know? What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's is a progressive brain disorder destroying memory and thinking skills. Question 964. Did you know? What is Parkinson's disease? Parkinson's is a neurodegenerative disorder affecting movement. Question 965. Did you know? What causes Parkinson's disease? Loss of dopamine-producing neurons in the brain causes Parkinson's. Question 966. Did you know? What is epilepsy? Epilepsy is a neurological disorder causing recurrent seizures. Question 967. Did you know? What is a seizure? A seizure is sudden, uncontrolled electrical activity in the brain. Question 968. Did you know? What is sickle cell disease? Sickle cell disease is a genetic disorder producing abnormally shaped red blood cells. Question 969. Did you know? What is hemophilia? Hemophilia is a genetic disorder impairing blood clotting. Question 970. Did you know? What is cystic fibrosis? Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder producing thick mucus affecting lungs and digestion. Question 971. Did you know? What is muscular dystrophy? Muscular dystrophy is a group of genetic disorders causing progressive muscle weakness. Question 972. Did you know? What is cirrhosis? Cirrhosis is severe liver scarring from chronic damage. Question 973. Did you know? What causes cirrhosis? Chronic alcohol abuse, hepatitis, and fatty liver disease cause cirrhosis. Question 974. Did you know? What is hepatitis? Hepatitis is liver inflammation, often from viral infection. Question 975. Did you know? What are the types of hepatitis? Hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E, each caused by different viruses. Question 976. Did you know? What is pneumonia? Pneumonia is lung infection, causing inflammation, and fluid-filled air sacs. Question 977. Did you know? What causes pneumonia? Bacteria, viruses, or fungi cause pneumonia.
Question 978. Did you know what is influenza? Influenza is a viral respiratory infection, commonly called the flu. Question 979. Did you know? What is COVID-19? COVID-19 is a respiratory disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus, first identified in 2019. Question 970D. Did you know? How is COVID-19 transmitted? COVID-19 spreads through respiratory droplets and aerosols. Question 981. Did you know what is quarantine? Quarantine separates potentially exposed individuals to prevent disease spread. Question 982. Did you know? What is isolation? Isolation separates infected individuals from healthy people. Question 983. Did you know? What is an epidemic? An epidemic is disease occurrence exceeding normal expectation in a region. Question 984. Did you know what is a pandemic? A pandemic is disease spread across multiple countries or continents. Question 985. Did you know what is public health? Public health protects and improves community health through organized efforts. Question 986. Did you know what is epidemiology?
Epidemiology studies disease patterns and causes in populations.
Question 987. Did you know what is preventive medicine? Preventive medicine focuses on preventing disease rather than treating it. Question 988. Did you know? What are risk factors? Risk factors increase disease likelihood. Question 989. Did you know? What are protective factors? Protective factors decrease disease risk.
Question 990. Did you know? What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet provides appropriate proportions of all necessary nutrients. Question 991. Did you know? What are the main food groups? Fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and dairy. Question 992. Did you know? What is the recommended daily water intake? Approximately 2-3 liters of water daily, varying by individual needs. Question 993. Did you know? What is exercise? Exercise is physical activity improving health and fitness. Question 994. Did you know? What are benefits of regular exercise? Improved cardiovascular health, weight management, mental health, and disease prevention. Question 995. Did you know? What is sleep's importance? Sleep allows body repair, memory consolidation, and maintaining physical and mental health. Question 996. Did you know? What is recommended sleep duration for adults? Adults should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep nightly. Question 997. Did you know? What is stress? Stress is the body's response to challenges or demands. Question 998. Did you know? What are effects of chronic stress? Chronic stress increases risk of heart disease, depression, obesity, and weakened immunity. Question 999. Did you know? What is wellness? Wellness is active pursuit of activities and choices leading to holistic health. Question 1000. Did you know? What is life expectancy? Life expectancy is the average number of years a person is expected to live, currently around 70-85 years, globally, depending on location and circumstances.